Hello, friends and professionals. Let's welcome back another important session in WM. What is picking area? And if you'd like to know what is the difference between whatever the storage section we defined before and what is the picking area. If you'd like to find the difference between these two, let's crack the magic. Okay. But here you don't have picking area, right? Let's see this. First, we define the picking area. It's very simple. I'll explain you. So let me try to go to the logistics execution. So this is the place where we had defined storage sections, right? Let's come to the picking area. Let's check if anything is there. G05. We don't have picking area. It's not copied from our warehouse, standard warehouse number. So let's come to our warehouse number. G05. So section G0001 and picking area maybe like a 001. This is for, I would say, goods area. Okay. So by this name, you can able to understand this. Let me go to the one request. So come here. Let's say this. This is customized request only. Don't worry about that. Let's try to understand this. If you see this warehouse number, and this is the storage type, and what kind of storage type, how you wanted to store, you should know, right? And this is the picking area. So now let me explain to you what is the basic difference between storage section and picking area. Storage section, you should know your section, then you should know what kind of box you are keeping. Okay, that is inbound. So this is from where I need to pick. Picking means where, from which goods issue area, means where I need to pick. For that we are defining. If you want how many you want it, you can able to define it. That is the basic difference between your picking area and storage section. Actually, sometimes they might ask a WM consultant and interview. So a picking area is object within a storage group together storage bins for stock removal. Stock removal, adding stock for storage section, removing the stock for picking area. You try to understand. Learning is very, very important by term. Okay. So this is for picking area. Okay. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. This is sales and distribution. I have explained 83 hours and SAP, what I would say, business partners and some courses from S4 HANA, business processes and all. It is good to start this place here before getting into any online consultant. And if you are a beginner, then you better go through it. If you have passion about learning the pricing, you go through these courses. And if you have doubts in STO, stock transfer and intercompany sales, you go through this course. All these rates, not permanent. Every week it is changing with some 400 to 600. You can try for this. Okay. And this is for rebate, and I'm just providing these links below this video. If you want to enhance your knowledge, you can subscribe it. Don't think about anything. No second thought. For SD consultants, especially, I'm telling you. Okay. Thank you very much. Thanks for your patience for listening. Almost we reached till bin. Let's try to understand few more things before getting into the bin. Okay. I wish you all the best for your careers. Jai Hind. We'll catch up in the next session.